In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use keyframes in CapCut PC step by step. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Then move down to the timeline at the bottom of the screen, and click on the clip you want to animate. Before you can add keyframes, the clip needs to be selected. Now move over to the top right panel. Then click on Video. Next, make sure you're inside the Basic tab. Scroll down until you find Transform, and click the arrow to expand it. Now decide where you want your animation to begin. Move the playback cursor in the timeline to that position. Then look to the right side of the Transform settings, and click the diamond-shaped keyframe button. As soon as you click it, a small diamond icon will appear on your clip in the timeline. This marks your first keyframe. Now move the playback cursor further along the timeline. This determines where the animation will end. The farther apart your keyframes are, the slower and smoother the movement will be. With the playback cursor in its new position, go back to the Transform section on the right side and increase the scale value. You can also use the handles directly inside the preview window. Simply click and drag the corners of the video preview to zoom in. Now, let's focus on a specific area. I can click and drag the video inside the preview window and move it exactly where I want the viewer to look. Now move the playback cursor further down the timeline again. Then adjust the scale or position once more. You don't need to manually press the keyframe button every single time. Once keyframing is active, CapCut automatically creates new keyframes whenever you change these settings. Now, let's return the clip back to where it started. Move the playback cursor near the end of the clip. Then adjust the scale back to its original value, and drag the video back into the center. You'll notice alignment guides appear on screen to help you center everything perfectly. Here's a useful tip. If the keyframes are close together, the movement will happen faster. If the keyframes are farther apart, the movement will happen more slowly. So you can easily control the speed of the animation by adjusting the distance between keyframes. Now move the playback cursor back to the beginning and press play. You'll see the video smoothly zoom in, move toward the subject, and then return back to its original position. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more CapCut editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.